Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and thank you very much for joining us. I'm your host, FD465.tv, bringing you some updates to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. This is a portfolio we have selected 6 blockchains, and from within those 6 blockchains, we have selected some projects to invest in, having performed our usual DYOR risk evaluation. So the update I'm going to bring to you today, guys, is not financial advice. If you do require financial advice, please approach someone who is trying to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. So, with XRP winning the battle with the SEC, the markets seem to love it. So, could this be the beginning of the bull run proper? Let's see if our portfolio is reflecting just that. So, the 6 blockchains we've selected are Ethereum, Cardano, Dotsama, which is Polkadot and Kusama, Cosmos ecosystem, NEARProtocol, and Avalaunch. And the projects we've invested in within the Ethereum blockchain are VulcanForged, PerpetualProtocol, and RMRK.app. So, starting with VulcanForged and the POR token, the price for the POR token this week is sitting at $3.22. Portfolio value is sitting at $331.39. Week on week, we are slightly down by 1%, and overall, we are down 8.6%. Next up is PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token. The price for the PEP token this week is sitting at 52.7 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $526.83. Week on week, we are up 2.8%, and overall, our PEP position is still up 24.3%, which makes PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token one of the best performing positions for this week. Next up is RMRK.app and the RBN token. The price for the RBN token this week is sitting at 20.4 cents. Our portfolio value is sitting at $226.41. Week on week, we are up 9.6%, and overall, we are down 13.9%. So our overall Ethereum basket to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, the value of that basket is now sitting at $1,084.63, and we are slightly up by 4.4% on our entry position. So positive so far. Next up is Cardano blockchain, where we have Cardano and the AADA coin, as well as AADAFinance, now renamed Lenify, and the Lenify token. So starting with Lenify, the price for the Lenify token is now sitting at $4.07. Portfolio value is sitting at $659.73. Week on week, we are up a decent 18.3%, and overall, our position is now valued at 275.7%. We are up 275.7%. Next up is Cardano's AADA coin, and the price for the AADA coin this week is sitting at 34.3 cents. Our portfolio value for our AADA position is sitting at $411.35. Week on week, we are up a decent 19.8%. Overall, we are up 19.1% on our AADA position. So that concludes our Cardano position within the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. Our overall position now within our Cardano basket position is now valued at $1,071.08, and the position itself is up a decent 107.3%. So we are progressing positively and nicely with our Cardano position. But again, some of these prices I'm sharing with you, by the time you watch the video, they may have changed. So take some of these figures with a pinch of salt. Next up is Dotsama, where we have Polkadot and Kusama combined, and we hold positions in 3 projects. You have Bit.Country Pioneer and the NEAR token, RMRK.app and the RMRK token, as well as Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token. Starting with Bit.Country Pioneer, the price for the NEAR token this week is sitting at 16.4 cents. Our portfolio value is sitting at $131.43. Week on week, we are down 4.3%, and overall, we are down 46.8%, which makes Bit.Country Pioneer and the NEAR token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. We move on to RMRK.app and the RMRK token. The price for the RMRK token this week is sitting at $1.73. Portfolio value is sitting at $358.35. Week on week, we are down 5.9%, and overall, we are down 25.3%, which makes RMRK.app and the RMRK token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. We then move on to Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token. The price for the Glimmer token this week is sitting at 24.7 cents, and portfolio value is sitting at $496.19. Week on week, we are down 1.1%, and overall, we are down 32.8%, which makes Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. That concludes our Dotsama basket to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, and that Dotsama basket is now valued at $985.97. And versus our opening position, that position, the Dotsama position, is now down 31.7%. We then move on to the Cosmos ecosystem ecosystem where we hold positions in Akash network and the AKT token, EVMOS and the EVMOS token, Injective and the ING token, Osmosis and the Osmo token, as well as Persistence and the XPRT token. Starting with Persistence and the XPRT token, the price for the XPRT token is sitting at 23.4 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $241.82. Week on week, we had some kind of sell-off. We are down 20.9% and overall, we are still up 1.1%. We move on to Osmosis and the Osmo coin. The price for the Osmo coin this week is sitting at 50.6 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $510.86. Week on week, we are slightly up by 3.6% and overall, we are still up 2.5%. We move on to Injective and the ING token. The price for the ING token this week is sitting at $8.23. Portfolio value is sitting at $823.48. Week on week, we are slightly up by 3.2% and overall, we're still up 97%, which makes Injective one of the best performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to EVMOS and the EVMOS coin. The price for the EVMOS coin this week is sitting at 8.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $100.96. Week on week, we are down 6.8% and overall, we are down 79.2%, which makes EVMOS and the EVMOS coin one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. Finally, for the Cosmos ecosystem, we close with Akash network and the AKT token. The price for the AKT token this week is sitting at 54.2 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $315.74. Week on week, we are down 9.8% and overall, we are still up 120.4%, which makes Akash network and the AKT token one of the best performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. We move on to NEARProtocol and the NEAR token. The price for the NEAR token is sitting at $1.45. Portfolio value is sitting at $81.99. Week on week, we are up 8.6% and overall, we are still down 56.4%, which makes NEARProtocol and the NEAR token one of the worst performing positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge for this week. We finally move on to Avalaunch, where we hold position in Avalaunch and the AVAX token, Traderjoe and the Joe token, and Avalaunch and the Zava token. Starting with the Zava token, the price for the Zava token this week is sitting at 22.9 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $240.51. Week on week, we are slightly up by 0.1% and overall, we're down 1.2%. Next up is Traderjoe and the Joe token. The price for the Joe token this week is sitting at 38.1 cents. Portfolio value is sitting at $456.38. Week on week, we are slightly down by 0.3% and overall, we're down 6.7%. And finally, Avalaunch and the AVAX coin. The price for the AVAX coin this week is sitting at $14.08. Portfolio value is sitting at $341.69. Week on week, we are up 11.4% and overall, we are down 3.2%. And our AVAX position is down on our entry positions into the AVAX ecosystem by 4.4%. So there you have it, folks. Our overall 15K to 600K portfolio is now valued at $6,255.11, which is up week on week by 2.4%, and overall it's up by 3.5% or $210.93 in the green across the whole portfolio. It's looking strong so far, and if current trends continue, this could be one of those strong projects, but we are yet to add a majority of our positions to this portfolio. What do you guys think? What other projects do you think we should be adding to this portfolio? Please comment below in the comment section. Until next time, guys, this is FD for 65.tv signing out for now. Bye.